Video number 3, we're going to go in and we're going to look at the tutorials now. Hang tight, here we go. All right, here's tutorials. We're in the members area of Crypto Beast, and here we go. This is like the hub of technology. So here it says, welcome to the support page for Crypto Beast. On this page, you will find a series of over-the-shoulder videos created specifically for Crypto Beast that shows you exactly how to use Crypto Beast correctly, along with a variety of selected resources that we recommend in connection with Crypto Beast or have sought for your benefit to take advantage of. Please watch all the videos fully, as it will help you to understand Crypto Beast. If you require any further support and above the videos, please click on the help on the main left-hand menu. This is the only way to gain further support for assistance. Good luck and thanks for being part of Crypto Beast. Here we go.
Welcome back to Crypto Beast. It's step 1, really important step. It's all about signing up for the affiliate programs, getting your affiliate links, making sure everything is set up correctly. So beneath the video that you're watching, there's going to be a number of buttons where you can jump across to these programs and sign up for them, okay, where you can get your affiliate links, okay? It's really important because that is how you're going to get paid. Now, if you are new to any of these programs, you're obviously going to be able to qualify for the sign-up bonuses as long as you go through the steps. Now, all of them have various different things. Some of them require you to make a deposit. Some of them require you to stake. So if you want to qualify for those bonuses, make sure that you go through the steps. I think with Coinbase, all it is you have to deposit $100 and you get $10 as a sign-up bonus. Some of the others, just say like with crypto.com, for example, if you stake, now stake is basically just depositing some money and it gets locked up, and then it's locked up for a term, and at the end of the term they send it back to you, and it's as simple as that, okay? And by doing that, you qualify, you get one of these metal debit cards which you can use in the shops, okay, in conjunction with whatever you've got in the account. You get rewards, and also you get free Spotify. So different ones do they give different bonuses, okay? So if you want to qualify for those bonuses, make sure you go through those steps. But additionally, you've got other ways to get bonuses in the Coinbase account. For example, if you go to more and then go down to learn and earn, for example, there'll be a variety of little quizzes that take a matter of minutes, just to go through. It's impossible to fail these, and then they'll just send you a couple of dollars worth of random crypto. These change, on a regular basis, and I think there's some more if you're a brand new customer. So you can do that, and then once you've got that, it'll go into your assets, and you can click on trade, and you can just convert all of the random little tokens into Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, whatever you would prefer, okay, rather than being in all random stuff. You can, additionally to that, there are other ways to learn and earn. So as I said, these are little quizzes you can do. You can jump across to Binance, for example, which is another one that we mentioned to sign up for the affiliate program. And by going to this button here, you can go across to learn and earn. And what you can see is that they regularly update quizzes with new quizzes themselves, and you can earn tokens. Essentially, you can see they've had loads of them in the past. This is the current one, and you learn a little bit of crypto. Now, you may go to this website, and these quizzes may be finished. Like this one that says all rewards are redeemed. Just regularly check back, and you'll be able to get a little bit of token here and there. Likewise on CoinMarketCap, which is one of the biggest websites for checking the prices of crypto, they do the same sort of thing, where they do the same thing. Essentially, they do quizzes where you can learn about brand new tokens and get free stuff. At the moment, I believe that there are none available, but as I say, click on the sign up for the account, which is free. Click on the subscribe button, and then you can get free. You'll get notified when the new quizzes are, and then earn a couple of dollars of free crypto every now and again, which is really, really important. So just to show you, like on Coinbase, if you go to more and invite friends, that's where you're going to get your affiliate link for that. With Binance, you're going to go back to the account and you're going to go down to here and you're going to be able to go down to referral and you're going to get your affiliate link there. With crypto.com, for example, it will be it works on the app. And any of the other programs that we recommend are very self-explanatory, right? So once you've got these links, you want to jump back to Beast and you want to add them in. So there's a number of places where you're going to need to do that. So just say for calls to action, you're going to come in here and you're going to click edit. And you're going to scroll down to where it says button link and you're going to paste in your link there. The next one is the affiliate table. So again, you're going to click on edit for these buttons here. You're going to do it for each product because obviously each product is slightly different. You're going to put in your affiliate link for all of them. Make sure that you click on the save button. Then the last one is the highlights. So any of these ones that are affiliate products, you click on edit. And you scroll down to where the button URL is, and you paste it in. Make sure that you click save at the bottom of the page, and that is your affiliate links ready to go. So in the next video, we'll be talking about some of the other bits and pieces to make sure that your Crypto Beast is set up correctly.
All right, that's awesome. So guys, we basically just
Welcome back to Crypto Beast.
Pause that. To recap what he just said, the main points of this video is that you can learn and earn crypto. I love that on coinmarketcap.com, on Binance.com, on Coinbase.com. So not only can you learn and earn and get free crypto there, but you also can get affiliate links so that when people sign up to open up an account in one of those areas, you could potentially earn more money too. So the affiliate links for Coinbase you will find after you open your Coinbase account. And then the affiliate link for Binance you'll find after you open up your Binance account. And some of these exchanges actually have a deeper affiliate opportunity, which are beyond what actually Glynn has shown here on this. So, you know, just to get the referral fee, that's awesome. That's one thing. But these, I know Coinbase definitely gives you an opportunity to earn on somebody's trading fees. That would be amazing. So you should check to see if that's still out there. You could always Google Coinbase affiliate opportunities to see if those are still available. But for now, the referral is definitely still there. All right, so I'm going to stop the video, and so that recording will be in the members area, and then you can come on to the next video. So remember, the first tutorial is about learning and earning and opening up a Coinbase.com account. And remember, you could ask somebody in this group for their referral code. So, you know, any of the teachers here tonight, they may want to say, hey, use my Coinbase affiliate link, right? And just jump them around the group. That's amazing. So if you have a Coinbase sign up affiliate link, please put it in the chat box. We're here to support each other. We're a community. We're a big, happy crypto family. So welcome to the Crypto Girl and Crew Mastermind. We really do love supporting each other. So if you have an affiliate link for your Binance account, put it in the chat box. Your Coinbase account, put it in the chat box. So if somebody is new to the group, I'd love for them to sign up under you so that when they put $100 into their Coinbase account, you'll get paid, they'll get paid, and we're a big happy family. All right, so stay tuned for the next video.